Rack of lamb rubbed with a smoked salt black pepper blend brushed with garlic herb vinaigrette, grilled to perfection. Tender, juicy, so tasty. Grilled rack of lamb with garlic herb vinaigrette. This has always been one of my favorite grill recipes. There is something so enchanting about a really well-prepared rack of lamb. There are only 4 steps to make it, but make sure you watch to the very end of this recipe because I've got some great side dish suggestions. A fantastic meal awaits. Let's begin and prepare the rack of lamb. Today, I'm grilling 2 1.5 pound racks of lamb. I had my butcher French them. They trimmed away the excess fat, removed all the extra bits around the bones. Now I have a gorgeous cut of meat ready for seasoning. I'm seasoning the racks of lamb with a smoked salt and black peppercorn blend. Make sure to visit Weekend at the Cottage for additional info and for the full recipe. I have about 2 tablespoons of the smoked salt and black peppercorns. We're gonna rub the meat front and back with this blend. Place the lamb chops on a platter or stainless baking sheet. Next, let's make a flavorful vinaigrette. Trust me, you are going to love this. Medium-sized bowl, 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic grated, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, then head to your garden, clip away some fresh rosemary and thyme. You'll need 2 tablespoons each, finely chopped rosemary, finely chopped thyme. Add 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. I also like to brighten these flavors with lemon juice. A squeeze from 1/2 lemon should do the trick. Whisk these ingredients together to combine. Now we're gonna pour 1/2 the quantity of this vinaigrette into a little serving bowl. We're gonna serve it alongside the lamb when we present. The rest we're gonna brush onto the lamb. Just save a tiny little bit for when the lamb hits the grill. Then we're gonna cover the lamb, leave it to sit at room temperature for 30 minutes. Next, we're getting ready to grill. You're gonna need a meat thermometer for this recipe. We'll put links up on the story at Weekend at the Cottage. Let you decide which one works best for you. 3 points about the grill. Number 1, grill temperature is 450 degrees. We found this works best. Number 2, we're turning the heat on the left side of the grill only. We'll be searing the rack of lamb on the left side of the grill, direct heat, but when we flip it over to the right side, it'll cook for a longer period of time using the indirect heat from the grill. Number 3, rub or brush your grill with a bit of oil before placing the lamb onto grill. Time to grill our racks of lamb. Let's go. Place the racks onto the hot side of the grill, meaty side down. Close the lid. We're gonna sear for 3 minutes. Lift the lid, turn the racks over, placing them down onto the indirect heated side of the grill. I also like to add a run of foil at this point, prevents the bones from burning. Of course you can add the foil from the outset, but I like to add it after the racks have hit the grill for those first 3 minutes. Kind of gets rid of all the little bits the butcher may have missed. Now brush the remaining marinade onto the racks of lamb, close the lid, and cook to desired doneness. About 13 to 15 minutes should do the trick. See the story at Weekend at the Cottage for a doneness guide. For me, I go for 55 degrees Celsius, that's 130 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect medium. Once you've reached your desired doneness, remove the racks from the grill, leave them to rest uncovered for 5 minutes. They will continue to cook just a little bit while they're resting. Your internal temperature may go up by 1 or 2 degrees. To serve, we need to carve the racks with a sharp knife. Depending on the size of the rack, decide whether 1 or 2 chops as a serving size. I like serving a 2 chop portion. You can see the spot where the knife can cut through. Just cut down. How amazing is that? I think these are perfectly prepared. The meat is pink, juicy, very tender, which is just the way I like it. Know what else I like? Serving this as a complete meal, how about we begin with an easy summer couscous salad. Let's do a side of grilled carrots with a zesty lime glaze. Then add a few grilled rack of lamb chops. Don't forget to serve that garlic herb vinaigrette on the side. When a meal is this perfect, we're thinking you just gotta make it. So we've listed the full recipe at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video and tons more on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And then finally, when a grilled rack of lamb looks this fantastic, we would love it if you take a picture and then post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage when you do on Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. Grilled rack of lamb with garlic herb vinaigrette. Just like butter. Amazing. This is so delicious. You guys gotta make it. Amazing.